Okay, so again, this is the most important lesson of the whole year, and it's really not that hard. Okay, so I want everyone to pay attention right now to these two highlights right here. Okay, those two pink highlights. And I'm going to actually start with the bottom to the top. Okay, I'm going to go with the bottom pink to the top pink. Okay, basically, if you distribute the bottom pink, you will get the top pink. Okay, so watch this. Red. Okay, red, green, blue. Okay, remember, only keep your eyes on the bottom pink because I don't want all the colors to trip colors of the whole slide to trip you out. Okay, red is going to be 6. Okay, I'm going to change this to X just to be consistent. Okay, this is X and this is going to be X. Okay, red is going to be 6x squared. Green is going to be minus 2x. Blue is going to be plus 21x. And black is going to be negative 7. Okay? And when you combine like terms, you'll get 6x squared plus 19x minus 7. And as you can see now, okay, when you distribute, okay, this pink, okay, you will get that pink. When you distribute this pink, you will get that pink. And this very bottom pink matches the original problem. Okay, actually, no, I don't even want to say that. I just want to focus on these two pinks. Okay, that's all I want to focus on. So again, this is old news here. Okay, if I distribute the top pink, I will get the bottom pink. Okay, covered up everything on top so you won't get distracted. So we know how to get from top pink to bottom pink. But what if we work backwards? What if I ask you to work backwards and say, hey, how do you go? Okay, how do you go from the bottom pink to the top pink? Okay, how do you go from the bottom pink to the top pink? All right, that is what the whole purpose of this is. Okay, that's what the whole purpose of this is. So I am going to put a dotted line here. Okay, and let's start from scratch here. All right, so here we go. Let's get started here. Please pay close attention. Okay, it is not hard. Now, I'm going to create the X like we've always been doing. Okay? Now I'm going to do the easiest thing first. On the bottom here, okay? On the bottom here, I'm going to put a 19. I'm just going to put the middle number on the bottom. Okay? Now on the top, I'm going to multiply the first and the last number. 6 times negative 7 is going to be negative 42. Okay? 6 times negative 7 is going to be negative 42. Now put that into your calculator. Excuse me, if you need to use your calculator to multiply, I don't care right now. Okay? That's fine with me. All right? So, now we're going to do the same thing we've been doing before. We're going to play that same game. What are two numbers that multiply to negative 42 and add up to 19? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do this one for you. Okay, this is 21 and negative 2. Okay, 21 times negative 2 equals to negative 42, smiley face. 21 plus negative 2 equals to 19, smiley face. Okay, now this is all pretty much old stuff. Okay, there's nothing crazy that I'm teaching you here. Okay, now here's the new stuff, and the new stuff is literally only gonna last 1 minute. It's not a long thing. Okay, so this process, I call it the X with 3 R's. Okay, I call it the X with 3 R's. So here's the first R. We're gonna roll, okay? We're gonna roll this 6, okay? We're gonna roll it under, okay? Roll the first number 6 underneath, and you get over 6 over 6. All right? And then I'm just gonna write X plus 21 over 6 because 21 over 6 is positive, okay? And then I'm gonna get X minus 2 over 6 because it's minus 2 over 6 because 2 over 6 is negative. Okay, so I literally just put this there. Look at the pink highlights up there. Okay, and I also put this pink highlight here and just put some X's in front of it. That's it. Okay, just put some X's in front of it. So we're done with roll under. Okay, now I'm going to reduce. I'm going to reduce the fraction. Okay, so watch this. Let me just ungroup this, get that out the way, get that out the way, get that out the way, and get that out. Now I'm going to reduce. So watch this. I'm going to divide it by the GCF. I'm going to divide this by 3. Divide that by 3. Divide this by 2. Divide that by 2. And I am going to get X plus 7 over 2. X minus 1 over 3. So we're done with the first R, which is roll under. Okay, we're also done with the second R, which was reduce. We're almost done now. Now all we have to do is roll left. Okay, I'm going to take this number. I'm going to take that number, and I'm going to roll it left. And then we are done with the problem. 3x minus 1. Okay, now we're done with the problem. Okay, so let me quickly recap on what's going on. Okay, I already taught you before how to go from top pink to bottom pink. Now the question is, how do I go from bottom pink to top pink? Go backwards. Okay, so so again, this is the same thing here. I copied on the top. Okay, this middle number goes to the bottom, and the top number, you get this negative 42 by multiplying the first times the last, 6 times negative 7. Then you play the same game before. What two numbers multiply to negative 42 add up to 19? The answer is 21, negative 2. Okay, now we just go through the first R's. Okay, the 3 R's I mean. Okay, I'm going to roll under the first number. Whatever the first number is, I'm going to roll under. So I roll the 6 underneath. Okay, and that's how I get these two blue highlights. Okay. All right, then I reduce the fractions. Okay, I reduce the fractions. And then I get x plus, after reducing, I get x plus 7 over 2, x minus 1 over 3. Okay. And then you just roll the 2 and the 3 over. All right. Roll it to the left. And let me actually I want to actually make this green here. Minus 1 over 3. Now, again, if you distribute this, okay, if you distribute this, red, green, okay, blue, and black, you will get the original problem. look at the two pink highlights. Okay, they match. Okay, if you distribute this, you get the bottom pink highlight, and the bottom pink highlight matches the top one. Okay, that's today's lesson. I want you guys to do 3 problems, and you are out of here.